Okay guys, so here we have the MetaTrader platform. So basically you need to know the 4 features of this MetaTrader. There are 4 regions, main regions that you need to know on this MetaTrader 4 platform. The first part is Market Watch. This is where you find all your currency pairs over here. If you're not logged in, obviously it won't work if you're not logged in yet. You can sign up with a broker, whichever broker you use. Some brokers don't support MetaTrader, but most actually do. We have some of those brokers available on our website. You can check those out. We personally use them and we haven't had a problem with them yet. You just open an account or log into trade account, and here you have your market watch. You have all the currency pairs over here: GBP USD, Euro USD, US dollar, Swiss franc, and you have all the terminals here. Okay, so this is the market watch, guys. And then we have navigation. The navigator here is basically an easy way to manage some of the important stuff, such as your accounts here or your indicators here, over here. It's pretty useful, yeah. And then we have the chart terminal. This is the main area where you see trading happening. This is the chart terminal here, right here. So we have 4 open charts right now. 4 open charts. So how you can start trading a certain type of chart, you just maximize it over here by clicking here, guys. Maximize there. And here we are. Euro USD. We're on the 1 hour chart. This is very easy to now analyze a certain chart. If you're going to specialize in it, you just click and drag to move from side to side, so we can go back and forth. As you can see, this is a 1 hour chart terminal. So to change your time frame now, you can just go on charts, time frames here, and you can change from 1 hour. You can change to minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes. So the standard are here. These are basically what you'll be looking at. We have 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and we have the hours here: 1 hour, 4 hour, and we have a daily. This is daily one, weekly, and monthly. This basically means all the candle bars would be counted as whatever minutes you have chosen, or hours, or days, or week. So if we choose 5 minutes, it'll show us here the candle bar closes each 5 minutes here. So if you're doing let's say binary or so forth, you'll find it useful to use the MetaTrader as 1 minute to 5 minutes. And then if you're a day trader, we have 15 minutes, and the day trader 30 minutes, and 1 hour. 4 hours is maybe a swing trader. And then daily is those that want to place trades maybe once or twice a week or so forth. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it right here. So now you want to place a trade. You're going to go over here. You're going to go to tools, new order, click new order right there, and we're going to select whatever currency pair we want here. So let's say you wanted to place a trade on Euro USD right there. Then that's market execution. And if you've watched our previous lesson on pending orders, you might find this useful. We have the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, and buy stop limit, and so forth. It's very, very easy to use. You can choose. So we're gonna say, let's say market execution, that's instant right now. So the volume will be, let's say, one standard lot, that's 100,000 units. And we have the stop loss that can be edited here, and we have the take profit that can be edited here. Alright, and we have sell by market. That means it's a sell, or you can buy by market. That's a buy. This is the buying price here, and this is the selling price here. So the difference is the spread, you see right there. So that's pretty simple and easy. Let's say you want to open a trade pretty quickly. You can just right click there, click new order, and there you go. And if you have a trade, you'll just right click on that trade, and option to modify that trade will be there, or close the position is right here. Alright guys, pretty simple. I hope we all get it. After you've placed your trade will come up here. It'll have the time that you place the trade, what type of trade it is, if it's a buy or sell or buy limit or pending orders come here as well, and the volume it has, the price, stop loss, take profit, price and swap and so forth. And your profit will be instantly shown here. So we have these tabs here. This shows you about your trades and anything to do with your trades. You have exposure here. We have history here if you want to see how much you have and what your previous trades were like. We have news here if you have news plugged in. And we have a mailbox here, calendar here, all the news, latest news here in real time, market and signals if you have automatic signal giver here. Journal to type in whatever notes you need to take down on your trades, about your trades. So yeah guys, you can even place one instantly here as well. Some people use this as well. This is commonly used. You can just place a trade like so forth. You can edit, see, you can edit if it's one lot or you want to enter maybe let's say 90,000 units, all up to you. You can even type as well. So you want to come out of this now again and check out another chart, you can. All is available here. So you want to now, let's say you want to technical analysis onto this chart. You can save a template if you have certain indicators that you use on your charts normally. So yeah, you can put that there. There you go. And here you go, insert indicators, and we have all sorts, trend types, moving average is normally, and we have Bollinger Bands. Insert objects such as the lines for support and resistance. You can just select that horizontal line, adjust it like that. Let's say that's our support, for example, and you insert again another object. You can put a trend line here. I don't know, we can do something like this. It's a trend line there to analyze a trend or so forth. Yeah, it's pretty simple and easy as long as your broker supports it. Like I said, we have the brokers that we use on our website, and we have other commonly used ones, Fibonacci retracement, let's say for example like that. Very easy to use. So in our next lesson we'll be looking into technical analysis, how to use all these tools on MetaTrader or whichever platform you have, as long as they have these technical, the basic technical analysis. You can check that out in our next video. And you have the option to change your chart type, alright guys? So you can, if you don't use candlesticks for whatever reason that is, you can choose bar chart. They have bar chart available there. Changes that. Line chart, if you use lines as well there. Right? But commonly used is candlesticks. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple and easy to use. Alright, and for example, if you're entering indicators, we're gonna look into indicators right now. Most widely used one is moving average. Say for example, you have options here, the box comes up here. This window will show you what you can edit. You can edit the period, the shift, and the method. If you're gonna use a simple moving average, exponential moving average, smooth and linear weight, that's everything that you'll need here. High, low, whatever it is that you need, the style of it, thickness and types of line, and you can say okay, for example, and it'll come up instantly right there. Right, and you also have the option to zoom in if you want to take a deeper look into the market right now. That's available for you right there. Okay, and if you want to be looking two pairs, currency pairs at side by side, you can just go over here to window and you can either tile them horizontally, and let's say you just want to be looking at two pairs, you can just put them on, adjust them like that, vertically like that, and horizontally like that. there you go. And you can be monitoring 2 pairs at the same time. Very nice and simple to use. So we'll be looking into technical analysis in our next one and fundamental analysis in the following lesson. As I was saying, technical analysis in the next lesson, so